Stephen D, and today I'm going to show you how to measure dry ingredients in baking. So first, make sure your hands are clean and your materials should also be clean and dry, especially in using dry ingredients. Materials you need are the sifter, any container to place your dry ingredients, some measuring cups and spoons or normal spoons and cups. But the most preferred is your measuring spoons or cups because you need exact measurement in baking. You also need the weighing scale, your dry ingredient. You also need your apron and your hairnet or the chef's hat. You need your hairnet to prevent the hair from falling down the food. You also need your apron to protect your clothes from getting dirty. The first step is to sift our dry ingredient, and our dry ingredient is all-purpose flour. We need to sift it because the air space is included in the measurement. The next step is to fill up your measuring cup. Make sure it's overflowing. And also don't press it because the air space is included in the measurement. The final step is to scrape the top with either a rubber scraper or the knife, the back of the knife. Now let's scrape it with the back of a knife. Now let's do the same step with the measuring spoon. So that is how to measure dry ingredients in baking. Stay tuned for our next video because we're going to use these in baking cookies. That is it. Stay tuned for more videos about baking. This is Stephen D. Thank you and goodbye.